The question is this: can I export my second degree connections from LinkedIn? The answer is no. You cannot export out your second degree connections on LinkedIn. By the way, that's going to be a huge number of people anyway. But LinkedIn doesn't allow you to do it. The terms and services does not allow for you to have access to that information in the context of exporting. But what can you export out? If I go to LinkedIn and if I go over here to settings, go to me, go to settings and privacy, go over here to data privacy. On the very top is manage your data. And I have the ability to request an archive. It makes me click twice and I can request this archive here. Now in here, I have the ability to request archive or exporting out everything that I have access to, connections, contracts, all kinds of information. But I also have the ability to select just connections. I can get just that data. Now, when you request that data, it is only going to export out the connections that your first level, first degree connections. That's all you're going to get. Now, when you get that data, it'll be a comma separated value, CSV file. And it's going to look like this. Now, I don't show you the data. It's all down there. I won't show you the data because that's private. But here's what you're going to, how it's going to look. This data, let me get this so it's a little bit bigger so you can read it. I'll make it 24. So what you're going to get is this. You're going to get the first name of the connection, the last name of the connection. You're going to get the LinkedIn profile URL. That's pretty nice. You're going to get their email address only if they opted in, and most people do not opt in to have their email address in this exported data, so it'll mostly be blank. You're going to get their current company and current position if they have a current job, and you're going to get the date that you connected with them. That's all you're going to get in this export of your LinkedIn connections. Now, furthermore, remember, you're not going to get email addresses, and come back to the question at hand, you're only going to get first level. You're not going to get your second degree connections. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.